Hello everyone, Rahul here and welcome to our channel Doctors to Be, where you find video tutorials that help you better understand the topic that you learn in your medical school. So let's get started, and today's topic is from neuroanatomy, and today we shall discuss about the cerebrum. So let's get started with the cerebrum. So the cerebrum, we know we have two cerebral hemispheres, and we have two cerebral hemispheres connected together by corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is a band of white matter that connects the two cerebral hemispheres. So suppose if these are the two cerebral hemispheres, so each one of the hemisphere presents three surfaces and four borders. So the three surfaces are medial surface, superolateral surface and the inferior surface. Just imagine as if it is a hemisphere, cerebral hemisphere. Then it is presenting three surfaces. The three surfaces are medial surface, inferior surface and superolateral surface. Okay, so and the inferior surface is divided into two parts: anterior orbital surface and posterior tentorial surface. Okay, so we'll write about these things. So let's write. Then the cerebrum is presenting four surfaces and three surfaces and four borders. Okay, so the cerebrum, three borders and four surfaces. Okay, the cerebral hemispheres, each cerebral hemisphere is presenting three borders and four surfaces, among which the three borders are, I discussed just now, the three borders are medial, sorry, oh, not so sorry guys, not three borders, the three surfaces. These are three surfaces. The cerebral hemisphere represents three surfaces and four borders. Okay, so don't get confused. I'll tell you once again. If this is a cerebral hemisphere, then it is presenting three surfaces: medial surface, superolateral surface and the posterior surface. And inferior surface is further divided into two parts. That is, the anterior one is known as orbital surface and the posterior known as tentorial surface. So three surfaces presenting three surfaces. They are medial surface, superolateral surface and inferior surface. Okay, so the medial surface is flat and vertical, okay. The superolateral surface, it is convex, and it is convex and related to the cranial vault. Okay, and the inferior surface is divided into two parts, and they are orbital and tentorial. The orbital is IAL. The orbital is towards the anterior side and the tentorial is on the posterior side. Okay, so the cerebral hemisphere, each cerebral hemisphere presents three surfaces. They are medial surface, superolateral surface and inferior surface. The medial surface is flat and vertical, while the superolateral surface is convex and related. Superolateral surface is convex and related to the cranial vault. The inferior surface is divided into two parts, that is the orbital surface, which is anteriorly located orbital surface, and posteriorly located tentorial surface. Okay, I have written in this in short form. So we have anterior anteriorly, this is posteriorly. Okay, so now talking about the four borders, presenting four borders, and the borders are superomedial, separates this superomedial separates superolateral surface from medial surface. Okay, I'm just writing medial, just okay. I'll add surface, SURFACE surface. Okay, clear. Then we have the second border, and that is inferolateral. This inferolateral is separating superolateral okay, superolateral from inferior surface. Okay, I hope you understand. Superolateral surface separates superolateral surface from inferior surface. The third border is medial orbital. This is separating the medial surface from orbital surface. We discussed that the inferior is divided into orbital and posterior tentorial. So the medial orbital border is separating the medial surface from orbital surface. Okay, and we have the final border, that is the medial occipital border. This is separating medial. Okay, so this is I tried twice. Medial from tentorial. Okay, so this was a short introduction about the cerebral hemisphere. Before going to the particular surfaces, individual surfaces individually, and discussing about the structures that each surface present and the sulci and the gyri that these surfaces present. So after this we will discuss about the sulci and gyri presented by this surface and the structures along with the structures that are presented on these surfaces. Okay, so we should have a clear concept about the surfaces and the borders, so that we will not get confused when I say that this sulcus of this gyri is present in this surface, or suppose we discuss about medial surface, then we shall discuss about the present sulcus and gyri present in the medial surface, so you don't get confused what is medial surface. So this is a general introductory class. After this we will continue to the sulci and the gyri. So let's discuss rapidly. The cerebral hemisphere presents three surfaces and four borders. Is presenting three surfaces and it with four borders. The three surfaces are medial surface, superolateral surface, and the inferior surface. The medial surface is flat, flat and vertical, while the superolateral surface is convex. I told you, suppose this is a hemisphere, then the superolateral surface is convex and is related to the vault. Okay, cranial vault, and is related to the cranial vault. So okay, cranial, okay, I missed it, cranial, CRANIL is related to the cranial vault. Then inferior surface, the inferior surface is divided into, suppose this is inferior surface, is divided into two parts. The anterior part is known as, anterior surface or part is known as the orbital surface, and the posterior surface is known as the tentorial surface. Okay, so these are the three surfaces presented by the cerebral hemisphere, and it has four borders. The four borders are superomedial border. This superomedial border separates superolateral, okay, superolateral, the same superolateral that we discussed in the surfaces, superolateral surface from the medial surface. Okay, superomedial, just remember, superomedial is separating superolateral from medial surface. Now just opposite of superomedial is inferolateral. This one is separating the superolateral. superolateral, the same superolateral from the inferior surface. Okay, this is the superolateral surface and this is the medial surface, then the superomedial surface is separating the superolateral surface from the medial surface, while the inferolateral border is separating the superolateral surface from the inferior surface, while medial orbital border is separating the medial surface from the orbital surface. Okay, and the medial occipital border is separating medial surface from the tentorial surface. Okay, I hope you are clear with the general introduction or some very basic things about this. So in the next video we'll discuss about the sulci and gyri along with the structures presented in each surfaces. So you can have a look, and if you want you can copy, or you can visit our Facebook page. The link is in the description to find the note of it, to find this note. Okay, so thank you guys and see you in the next video.